Yes guys, welcome back to another video. First things first, I'm sorry for the lack of uploading. I've had a bit of a break over the Christmas period and I was quite ill as well, so yeah, I feel like I'm not going to bowler anymore and I'm back on it. So I thought I'd kick it off with a night drive in the Polo Gti. Stage 2 of course. It's currently 7 AM and it looks like it's much earlier than that. Plus I couldn't sleep, so I thought, you know what, why not go out, fuel up, film a video, and then yeah, let you guys enjoy it. So I'll probably chirp in here and there with a bit of commentary, but I think the majority of this video is kind of just for you guys to get a feel about what it's like driving one of these cars at this power level. Quick update on the channel as well. I've got a few videos planned. I'm modifying my dad's car, that's one that's coming up. Couple car reviews in the works as well, and also diagnosing a few bits and bobs I think are wrong with this car at the moment, one of them being the handling. Not really sure what is going on with it at the moment. Feels a little bit unstable. I think it's either a brake caliper that's on its way out, or I'm not too sure, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, let's kick it off guys. We're in manual mode, individual. No, we're not actually, we're in eco, so let's sort that out. Perfect, traction off, got the window down so you guys can hear a little bit more of what's going on. I also hope the audio is okay because I've just got the GoPro media mod and I'm using the mic that actually comes with that rather than DJI mics. So let's see how it sounds for you guys. Car sounds much louder at this time of night because there is, well I should say the morning actually, because there's not much around, so yeah, you get a real sense of how loud this car actually is. Also guys, if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like down below and leave a comment for any future video suggestions. Plus, if you can subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. I think only 80% of you or something like that are actually subscribed, so if you guys could hit that button, it would mean the absolute world to me. I really hate wearing this on my head because I feel like everyone just looks at me all strange. Really picks up. I think like third gear onwards it just absolutely kicks the boost in. It's mental. Little bit on the foggy side. Jesus Christ, looks like some Halloween ass movie. It's weird how it changes. Oh yeah, shoving it up. Luckily guys, the speed limit here is 70 miles an hour because we're in Mexico, as you're all aware. Oh, pothole. Woo! Nuts. It's like mega foggy. How have we driven into this? It's also 3.5 degrees out guys, so pretty cold, pretty slippy, but good for boost, so can't have it always. Making the power but we're not putting it down, so yeah. Four-wheel drive swap incoming. Jokes, I don't have that kind of money. I wish I did. Mind you, if I did I probably wouldn't have a Polo GTI, so. Oh, he's f***ed it off. Oh, there we go. Yep, no grip at all. Not a shocker, but oh, no. That's a new shape GTI over there. Oh, it's just straight up wheel spin. Straight up wheel spin. And I wonder why I get through tyres every 2 months. God knows. Coffee time! Alright lads, coffee has been acquired. I've got a nice basic bitch caramel macchiato to keep me awake. I've actually been up since 1:30, would you believe it? Because I apparently have insomnia now, which is cool. Didn't have it before, and then reached 25, and now I'm just like full of issues, which is great. My back hurts. Oh dear, I'm laughing through the pain. Anyway, let's go. There we have Meadow Hell, guys. This is actually the reason, well, partly the reason I've come out, because I'm going to Zara. I'm taking some stuff back and I'm buying some more stuff. So, ooh, is this open? I bet it is, you know. Oh yes, this will be fun for some noises. God, you forget how loud your car is until you come in one of these. Mental. I can't really get it quick enough to do over one, I'll be honest with you. But you can imagine it would sound pretty nuts. Sorry guys, it is mega foggy. Basically, you've tuned in to watch me drive through milk. Yep, world first. Sick. Well, Mustang Cobra, whatever you want to call it. Short shift, God. Spooling. Shine, people, rise and shine. Your free alarms here. Dude, go home. What's that about? Cannot beat a handbrake turn. Right guys, it is going light now, so I think that just about wraps up today's video. Here's the Polo after a bit of abuse. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and once again guys, if you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well to see some more content coming up. Can you shut up please, you knobhead? Yeah, wasn't quite as eventful as I was hoping it would be, and was very foggy as well, so yeah, is what it is. Hope you enjoyed nevertheless, and I'll see you guys next time.